What's up, everyone? We are here in the Jurassic room, and today, as you can see, like back there where I have all my pegboards up with a lot of my dinosaurs, I'm actually going to put some pegboards up right here in order to hang up all the bunch of Hammond Collection that I have. So I thought we'd make a little video today on my, actual process of doing it and recording it and everything. So I hope y'all enjoy, and here we go. Alrighty, guys, so here's all of the different Hammond Collection that will be going in there. As you can see, it's a lot, but we're gonna get it all up on this wall right here. Here comes the process. Whoops, that didn't work. I put the rest of the screws in, it's just off camera. Alrighty, guys, now that the wall is put up, we'll go ahead and start hanging up the Hammond Collection. So when I'm doing this, guys, I like to keep all the pegs as close to each other as possible. That way, for the future, I'm able to fit as many figures up on the wall as I can. Also here, I had to leave a little space between the smaller figures and the bigger ones just because that's where the post was in the wall and I couldn't fit the pegs there. So yeah, that's why there's a little space between them, guys. Alrighty, guys, so we got it all set up. Obviously, I didn't have anywhere to put my two Hammond Collection T-Rexes, so I just set them on top of the ladder for a minute. But as you can see, got them all together. You can see how many they go back. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. But yeah, so this was my video today on the installation of the Hammond Collection wall. Guys, if y'all enjoyed the video, please subscribe. I appreciate all the support. I've been working really hard to get the Jurassic room even more awesome than it was before. So yeah, guys, if y'all enjoyed the video, please subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.